Sometimes the right home shows up at just the right time. A space that's brand new and ready when you are. That's a quick move-in home. These homes are beautifully crafted and feature our most popular, innovative floor plans, styled by the same design experts behind our iconic model homes. They showcase curated finishes that come together seamlessly, and with everything already chosen, the price is clear from the start, so you can plan with confidence. You don't have to imagine how it will come together because it already has. Many of these homes are complete. Some are in their final steps, with just enough time to add a few personal touches. Now that's a quick move-in. A brand new home, thoughtfully finished and ready for your next chapter. Visit a community near you to explore available quick move-in homes. More life built in.